Hello and welcome to Simply Sport, the only show on Goan television that gives you the latest developments in the local, national as well as international sports scene. I am Neeraj Prabhu. Recently, a very important feat was achieved in Goan cricket. Shadab Jakati became the first Goan to register 200 wickets in first-class cricket. Let's meet this incredible man who is in his 17th season in Ranji Trophy. Hi Shadab.
Hi. Hi Neeraj.
Congratulations on your magnificent achievement.
Thank you so much. Pleasure. Yeah. Thanks.
Shadab, 17 seasons, 200 wickets. Obviously a very incredible journey. What are your feelings?
Yes, it's been a very long journey. 17 years of first-class cricket. Definitely feels very proud, and it's a great pride that I've played 17 years of first-class cricket, and I've achieved this milestone of getting 200 wickets and being the first Goan to do so. So it's a great feeling, and obviously it wouldn't have been possible without the support of my family, my teammates, whoever I've played with so far, ex-cricketers, all the Ranji players. So yes, it feels good.
Going down the memory lane, who was your first wicket in Ranji Trophy, and how was the situation when you were going to receive that prized Goa cap?
It was a great feeling, Neeraj, to be very honest. I remember I was 18 years. I had played under 19 game before that, and I had picked 9 wickets in an innings against Hyderabad. So I got a call up for the Ranji Trophy in 98, 99 against Karnataka, and obviously they had some Indian players in the team like J. Arun Kumar, Vijay Bharadwaj, Sunil Joshi, Venkatesh Prasad. So it was very exciting that I was getting an opportunity, and any cricketers, it was a dream. When you start playing cricket, your first aim is to play Ranji Trophy. So I was very happy to get a call up to play for the Ranji Trophy, and I remember my first wicket was J. Arun Kumar. We called Jack, and he also played for Goa for a couple of seasons for us. But that was my first and a very memorable wicket that I will never forget.
What kind of delivery you had bowled?
I had actually bowled him, little flighted one, and I got beaten him in the flight, and he was caught in the covers.
Okay.
And yes,
Who was the
catch. I think it was Rajesh Kamath who took the catch. I still remember that, and yes, it was a great feeling.
Some incredible spells that you remember in this 17 season journey?
Yes, I do. Of course, my first 5-wicket haul, Ranji Trophy, against Saurashtra, where we won the match in 2003-04, I think. We played in Rajkot. I got 5 wickets in the second innings. That was my first 5-wicket haul, and we won the match. And my 10-wicket haul against Haryana, my another 10-wicket haul against Jharkhand in 2010. Yes, they are very special, and all those spells in whatever I have done, which has contributed to the victory of Goan team, it's very special.
Absolutely. Shadab is also the first Goan to reach these 200 wickets, plus he has more than 2,200 runs as well. Shadab, looking back, do you think you had more potential to be an even better batsman?
Yes, I always, when I started playing cricket, I was a batsman who could bowl. Yes, I started my career as a batsman who could bowl. I did well in the junior level, scoring those runs. But yes, then later on, as I started playing more, then got more serious into bowling. Yes, but I have not lived up to the expectations of my well-wishers, and of course my couple of friends who they think I am a better batsman than what my score says sometimes. But yes, sometimes it's difficult, but I just take it, whatever I have done it, I have no regrets, and I'm proud of what I have done.
Some time back, some cricket experts who have seen a lot of cricket, who have played, they kind of said to me, if Shadab had to be a little better in his batting, he could have gone on to play for India, because your bowling obviously was world class. So do you think that was a bit of a factor that you didn't get a chance to play for India?
No, absolutely not. I think I was in the peak of my career, when I was playing IPL in 2009, 10, 11. I think I should have played for India that time, maybe a side game or some of the series. But unfortunately, it didn't happen. I was more as a bowler. I was considered more as a left arm spinner, main left arm spinner, and batting was a plus point for me actually. Whatever scores I could get, that was a bonus for the team. But obviously for the Ranji Trophy team in Goa, I whatever opportunity I get in the batting, I try to contribute and give my best. But yes, I play as a main left arm spinner in any team, and that is what I am considered as.
Right. Shadab was an absolutely crucial member of Chennai Super Kings, led by India captain MS Dhoni, and probably MS Dhoni was one of the very important guide for you in your career during that time.
Yes.
What was it like to be playing under such a magnificent leader?
It was a terrific experience, to be very honest. Playing under him was so much learning. Just looking at him, the way he prepares and all. He's a great example, and he's a legend actually, to be very honest. The way he has contributed to the Indian cricket, he has changed the face of Indian cricket. To come from a small town like Ranchi and do so well, it's amazing. But it was very special playing under him. If it wasn't him, I wouldn't have thought that I would have played for so long for Chennai Super Kings. I think it was his captaincy and of course my performance that helped me to keep going for the Chennai Super Kings for 6 years, consecutively. And yes, it was amazing to have him behind the wickets, and just looking at him behind the wickets was almost a big motivation and inspiration. So that's how he is.
And last season you went on to play for Royal Challengers Bangalore and played under Virat Kohli, now the Test captain for India. What's Virat like? Because we are having these great expectations from him now. How does he prepare himself?
He's very hardworking. To be very honest, I have not seen anybody so hardworking like Virat Kohli. Last year I was with him for 2 months in the IPL, and I know that in those 2 months he hardly had 4 days break in between, and every day used to be in the gym practicing, training. He's very hardworking. He's very aggressive on the field. Off the field, he's a very nice guy. What he shows in the TV is not absolutely right, but off the field, he's a very nice. He's a gem of a person, very friendly, and he's got that cricketing brain. I think he can take Indian cricket to another level, and he can be a good captain as well.
Wonderful. We hope for that. Shadab, you had a humble origin to your cricket, and you came from tough situations, and you have faced a lot of challenges as you go ahead. You have been an inspirational story for all our youngsters, and you have taught us, like, if you have a dream and you chase that dream and working hard, you can reach anywhere. So what are the biggest challenges that you have faced and you would like to open up, because people looking at this, watching this interview, will be, having an example to look at. So your major challenges.
See, the biggest challenge for me was, to be fit for, all these years that I have played cricket. That is the biggest challenge for any sportsman, to keep himself fit. then all that hard work that he does, that every carries. Then the coaches, some of ex-cricketers, they play a big part in your career as well. But I think the biggest challenge is definitely balancing your career off and on the field. That's the biggest challenge. That you whatever you do on the field, you just do it here 100%. Give your best 100% effort, honest. The rest things will fall in place, and you just leave it. And off the field, I think it's very important that how you balance your life outside the cricket as well, because I feel cricket is not only just on the ground, because it's everything depends rotates around it. It's how your discipline, dedication, your determination, what you do, what time you go to sleep, what you eat, how good you take care of your body. So all these things depends a lot. If you want to be a good sportsman, yes, definitely there's a lot of things that you have to compromise in life, and sacrifice, and hopefully if you're honest to yourself and to the game, God definitely rewards you, and put those things in place.
Right. So you've been absolutely professional, and what we can say is a first-class servant of Goan cricket. In these 17 years, you have seen a lot of changes. Obviously, changes are occurring all the time. So if we compare the last couple of seasons of what we have seen in Goan cricket, we have been very competitive, right from the 4-dayers to 1-dayers, and even in 2020. How would you rate this couple of seasons there to the last decade or so?
Yes, things have changed. Things have definitely changed a lot. Cricket has changed a lot, to be very honest. There's so many new ideas, new innovations have come into the game. But last 2-3 years, I would say it has been the one of the best years for Goan cricket, because the team has done well, right from the under 16, 19 to the women's team, the Ranji team having a very good season last year, where we almost qualified. We did well in the 1-dayers, and the 2020 we became champions. This year also we started well, with the 1-dayers. It's a bit disappointing that we haven't lived up to the expectations in the 4 days, but definitely the cricket has become more competitive. There's a lot of competition now in Goa, which was not there before. So that's good. That's good for Goan cricket. When you have so many players coming up and fighting for those places, it's very good for the Goan cricket. And yes, it's been a very good experience for me to see good youngsters coming up, and fighting for their places in the Ranji Trophy. It's a good sign for Goan cricket.
You're missing this game against Assam because of a back niggle, and we see you working out here in the gym at this time of the day. Obviously, you've taken good care of your body and haven't missed a season in the last 17 seasons. So feeling good, your body obviously naturally maybe taking a little more time to recover, but feeling good for near future?
Yes. See, I have a couple or maybe 2-3 years good cricket left in me. So definitely that's I'm working on it, and as long as my body is fit, I feel good. I'm enjoying the game. I will definitely continue to play. And yes, body is fine. It's just unfortunate that last game in Delhi, I just pulled my back. I have a small niggle on the back. So I'm working in the gym to get fit for the next game, and hopefully, should play the next game. And let's hope for the best.
In IPL, maybe another chapter